Today I'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube 2x2 edition. So first of all you need to get the white faces done. So this piece, which needs to go into this bit here. So what you'll do is that, and then that. So now we've got 3 pieces in, it's just one more, so do the same. And now that one piece is in. If there's any other pieces like here, what you'll do for that is that. So just carry on and get the first layer done. If you know how to do the 3x3 already, then it will be a little bit easier for you. So now moving on to the yellow layer. If you have a case like this and the yellow bit's there, what you'll do is face it to you and then do this algorithm. Now the yellow's bit solved, but if you had a case like this, with the pieces on the edge, what you'll do is this. And then the top bit would be solved. And also, if you had this case, where there is a piece, but it's there instead, what you'll do is this. Now that's solved. And now moving on to the last layer. If you have a case where none of the pieces are the same colour, like I do, what you'll do is find orange and red, get that to face you, and do this algorithm. And then you'll have 2 pieces the same colour, so face that and do the same algorithm. And now your cube is solved. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you like Rubik's Cubes that way.